Hello everyone, my name is RPIIT, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Karnal. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the advantage and disadvantage of the email system. First of all, we will learn about the advantage of email system. As email system are easy to use, you can organize your daily correspondence. You can send and retrieve electronic messages over the internet and save them on computer. It means it is very easy technique to share your messages, your information over the internet with other user and with other computer. Emails are very fast. They are delivered at once around the world, as no other form of written communication is as fast as an email. The language used in email is very simple and informal. It means very simple language is used in email system like simple English. When you reply to an email, you can attach the original message so that you answer the recipient knows what you are talking about. This is important if you get hundreds of email a day, and it is possible to send automated emails when a certain text with a certain text. In such a way, it is possible to tell the sender that you are on vacation. These emails are called autoresponders. It means it is generated automatically. Emails do not use papers. It means it save the papers and registers. They are environment friendly and save a lot of trees from being cut down. Emails can also have pictures in them. You can send birthday cards or newsletters at emails. It means you can share pictures and videos at email system. Next is disadvantages of email system. Emails are carry viruses. It means it is also suffer from viruses, worms, and Trojan like viruses that harm our messages or computer. These are small programs that harm your computer system. They can read out your email address book and send themselves to a number of people around the world. Many people send unwanted emails to others. These are called spam mails, and it takes a lot of time to filter out the unwanted emails from those that they are really important. The next is email cannot really be used for official documents. So they may be lost and you cannot sign them. Your mailbox may get flooded with emails after certain time, so that you have to empty it from time to time. It means it becomes very congested with thousands of emails. Thank you.